This is how conveyor belt is used to deliver chicken fillet to a customer. It takes less time and hustle while improving your favorite chicken fillet safety. This bread slicer eliminates the struggle of slicing bread, keeping the process efficient as well as safe. The mechanical slice provides advantages of precise cutting and thickness adjustment. This is how you can make a round log easily. Did you know that a motor shovel can cut through steel? Well, now you got the answer. This is how professionals make beautiful patterns of soil beads for the next planting season. Now you can make hamburgers easier with this genius tool, just like playing with clay toys. This is how CNC machine prints a circuit on a motherboard. The pattern is based on a virtual computer design and engraved with a tiny rotating head that can rotate up to 55,000 RPM. Before the hardening process, this powerful metal cutter can cut steel just like your daily cheese. Are you tired of making dough with a hand roller, mold, and mixer? Well then, you can get one of these machines. Making a huge metal gear for a ship can be a problem, so this is how they made it with an advanced industrial machinery. A Rocky Mountain juniper is getting easily wrapped up with a tree baler machine. Do you know that making cotton candy can be so satisfying? You should take a look at this. This is how a CNC driller and water cut through 20 centimeters of steel easily like a hot knife on butter. This is how a candy factory blends the batter to remove air and mix coloring agent, making the candy softer and chewier. The egg beater machine imitates human hands with a knife to break the eggshell. It also has a pneumatic divider that separates egg white from yolks. This is truly one of the most ingenious machines ever created. This man is testing turtle shell durability against a metal shredder. The shell is made of keratin, which is the same as our fingernails. It consists of a network of linked bones that bind the tortoise's vertebrae and ribcage. Scientists believe that a turtle shell has an average of 160% or more fracture toughness compared to aluminum, the main metal element that made cars, which explains why in this video it is so hard to break before the overlapping structure edge cracks. This turtle shell structure also inspired automotive engineers to make car designs based on it. We are glad to watch you happy up until this point. Please consider subscribing and, as always, have a nice day. Making skewer beef is not a problem nowadays. You can do it so fast with this ingenious machine. With water and vacuum pressure, this backyard hole can be dug with no problem. You can use it to plant trees or golf hole. This is how they clean solar panels effectively.